Sometimes you have trouble with your weed whacker or gas trimmer. You start it up, but when you pull it about to cut it, it's stalled on you. That's going to be a simple fix. I'm going to show you how to fix it. It's either the throttle need to be adjusted, or you're not getting enough fuel line. You're not getting enough fuel to your fuel system. Okay, and if you're not getting enough fuel, I'm going to show you how to get it. You want to remove the cover. Okay. Once you remove the cover, you see the air filter, which need to be cleaned. To adjust the throttle, you adjust it right here. For the fuel line, to get more fuel, you adjust it right here. You need a special tool for that. And right now, I'm pretty sure you only need to adjust the throttle. Okay, we're going to see if we adjust the throttle, see if it works. And if it doesn't work, we go adjust the fuel. Okay, so I'm going to start it up. Start it. No problem. All right. Yeah, what do you do? Okay, simple fix. Instead of you going out thinking there's something wrong with the weed whacker, instead of you going out and buy yourself another $300 weed whacker. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.